Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is Nifty's weekly expiry and here I am with another video of our series Nifty expiry special analysis. In the previous video, as I said, the market may consolidate and it may get volatile in a short range if it opens above 15,650 and markets consolidated in a short range for first few hours, and later, since the put call ratio was oversold and we were expecting a short covering rally, markets gave a short covering rally above 15,700, which was one of the resistance. So you can watch that video clicking on top right of your screen, and in today's video too we'll try to identify important levels for tomorrow's expiry. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't and stay tuned. So now let's analyze Nifty's 15 minutes chart for tomorrow's expiry. And as you can see, immediately after market opened today, we saw a sell-off, and later in the afternoon session markets tried to recover, but again we saw a sell-off coming. So we have resistance at 15,820 and 15,900, and we have support at 15,720 to 680, this range. We have support at 15,720 to 680, and below that we may go till 15,600. So tomorrow I am expecting a fall till 15,680 to 15,600 because markets closed near the swing low, and immediately after markets break the swing low tomorrow, we may see a fall coming again. If markets gap up open above 15,820, then markets may get volatile, but if markets open anywhere below 15,800, we may see sell-off coming again. And now let's analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry. So now on screen we have Nifty's option chain, and as you can see, 15,800 call has an open interest of 56,46,000, and in that 34 lakh was added today. So we saw heavy call writing at 15,800. So 15,800 will act as first resistance for tomorrow's expiry, and 15,900 call has almost 60 lakh open interest, and in that 26 lakh was added today. So 15,900 will act as second resistance for tomorrow's expiry. And on the downside, 15,700 put has open interest of 39,38,000, and there wasn't much addition in open interest, just 4,62,000. So we may see a dip below 15,700 tomorrow in intraday if Nifty breaks 15,750. And below 15,700 we have open interest of 36 lakhs at 15,600 put, and that will act as second support for tomorrow's expiry. And the put call ratio is at 1.129, and which is oversold. So we may expect a short covering rally if Nifty sustains above 15,825. So that's all for today's video. The account opening link is given in description, and you can open your account from there. The brokerage is as low as 15 rupees per order. And do like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Aman signing off. Thank you.